Monday, you made your way into here. Huh? Come on. You made your way all the way up here. Stay there.